Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder. Today is the 27th, February 2020. Dean, Russell, Jenna, and Tony go live at about 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you haven't gotten registered already, the link's below on this same page. Get registered right now so that way you don't miss out on this event. Completely brand new information to teach you how to use knowledge you already possess, what you have up here, to help somebody else out and get paid generously for your efforts and for your work. Okay, so if you want to know how to get this done, register again, save your seat, completely free. You don't have to spend a dime, but you can get life-changing information that will put your bank account on a level you've never seen it before. So if that's what you're looking to do, get registered, get registered, get registered. See you there. Peace.
We want to talk to you just for 2 seconds about an option that we've had the privilege for 60 years between us, 40 years for me and 20 years for him, to be a part of, where life can be meaningful.
And it's the self-education industry. The reason Tony and I have been friends for over a decade. The one thing we had in common was the fact that neither one of us went down traditional education. And we felt like there was no other hope. My guidance counselor said to me, "Oh, you're not going to college, no SATs, you should apply at the only factory in our town for minimum wage." She never shared there was something in the middle. It wasn't cool yet, but something has shifted. Self-education is becoming the new norm. It's what Tony and I found. I learned from so many teachers, including you. You impacted my life over 25 years ago, and all of a sudden I found a new way. Well, here's the thing. The ability to extract what you know, a hobby, a skill, a passion, an expertise, or extract what other people know, and share it in a methodical way through Skype, through Zoom, through a group, through a mastermind, through a course. And this is what Tony and I have been doing together for over 60 years, and we decided to share it with the world. If you're someone who would love to make an impact, to love to help other people, then you're gonna wanna know more about the self-education industry.
So if you really are interested in just at least finding out what's available, we'd like to sincerely add value to you by showing you the best of what we've learned over the last combined 60 years. And all you gotta do is click on the link and then get in your calendar and don't miss the date, because you don't wanna miss out on an opportunity that could really open up the doors for you.